Alright, this is a little off topic from the normal videos, but we're getting a cold front here. So we're going to show you how to winterize your backflow if you have an irrigation system. Just going to be a quick video. It's a little windy outside, so I probably won't have a lot of audio when I'm walking around, but I'll show you guys where I turn it off and what I do to winterize the backflow. Alright, so here are my meters and shutoff out by the street. This is a meter box, got 2 meters in there, domestic and irrigation. This is the customer shutoff valve for my house, the residential water. Little ball valve in there. And then this is the ball valve, the customer shutoff for my irrigation system. I already know which one it is because I've done this before, but if you don't, you can just turn one off and see if you still have water in your house. It's that simple. Alright, we originally had audio here, but the wind is terrible. So we're going to do this voiceover. We've got the water shut off out the street that we just did. We've got a ball valve on both sides of this backflow. On the left is the inlet, the right is the outlet that goes to the sprinkler system. I'm just taking the plastic caps off of those 4 test ports right now, which are the valves that we'll be opening to bleed the pressure. They're 90-degree valves, so normally in this case they're facing horizontal when they're turned off. I'm taking a flathead screwdriver, turning them vertical, and that's opening the ports. You can see the water shooting out of the ports and draining out of the valve body. Then we'll just place the plastic caps back over those valves and get the freeze cover and place over the whole assembly. And that's all there is to this part. And here we are, installing that freeze cover that we just talked about. Alright, so we're back in the garage out of the wind. So I live in the southern United States. We're going to get a cold front, like I said. It's going to get down to, they're saying, like 17 degrees, which is cold for us, but not cold for people up north. So that will suffice for the area here. Now, if you live up north where you get extended periods of freeze, you may have to put a air coupling on that backflow, blow out some of the water, or blow out the water out of your irrigation lines. But that's all I've done in the past, and it works for us here. So that's it. Hope it helps somebody. One other thing I didn't mention, after I drained the backflow, I went to the irrigation controller and manually turned on each station just to drain any pressure that might be in there.